time of jubilee is coming, when young and old